Hello, Gediminas here. Welcome to my giveaway lottery event. In my hands I have Skmei drum watch model number 1516. One of you will win this watch and I'll send it to your address. The winner will be selected using comments under the Skmei 1516 review I've made 2 weeks ago. This time I will use Comment Picker website to select the winner. Looks like we have 27 participants. Okay, let's start then. Good luck for everyone. And here we go. The winner is Joshua Harris. Congratulations. I'll contact you for more details. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so you won't miss new reviews and giveaways. Good luck and see you next time.